Hello all, it's Sharon. In today's video I want to share this little cleaning little activity that I have for Nate. Now this is not my idea. I originally saw it on someone's channel. I believe her channel name is simply Libby. I will link the original video down in the description. But the way she did it was she calls it like her magic bowl like cleaning and decluttering, where she went around and she labeled a bunch of things with sticky notes, and then she pulls a number from the bowl, and then whatever that number is, she goes to the sticky note and then cleans or decolors that area. So I thought for Nate, because there's often times where I have like my own stuff to do every night, like taking out the garbage and taking care of the animals, dishes, and cleaning up in general. I thought he could do some of these activities and he could pull like one or two numbers a night, and then he can do the tasks that the number that it comes up. So I have this little bowl here, and then I have the numbers 1 to 10, and then I just made him a list like this. So we have number 1, clean up the entryway, because he'll often leave like his outdoor toys just laying on the floor there. Clear off the counters near the stove. Clear off the counter near the sink. Clear off the table, because like we have a card table and he'll often leave stuff on there. Put away the items on the play kitchen. I'll show you a couple examples. Clear off the bathroom counter. Clean up the 3 shelves in the living room, because he likes to take out all the books and like DVDs and use them for like building stuff, and then he'll just throw them back on there, so he could organize those back. Clear off near the TV table. Clear off the desk, because he'll often leave lots of supplies out on his desk. And remove any items that don't belong in the kitchen, because he'll build like his little STEM projects, or he'll have all the magnet tiles out in the kitchen, or his tracks for his Hot Wheels, stuff like that. So yeah, this is little tasks for him to do. I'll kind of show you some examples now. So yeah, like here's one example. This is his play kitchen, and it often just gets messy. He takes things out and then just leaves it in a kind of a big pile. So I thought this is one area that he could do while I'm doing other things. Like I said, like in front of the TV, he has like his little stuffed animals. The controllers are not picked up and stuff like that. So this is another area that he can clean off. Yeah, so they're like little catch-all areas where he likes to leave like his stuff, out. And I think, he's 8 years old and he can take responsibility for cleaning some of these areas up. So I'm going to fold up these little papers and I'll put them in a bowl, and then like say he picks 5, he'll have to put away the items on his play kitchen. It'll be like a fun little game where he can, pick 1 or 2 of these. And I did it in pencil, so I can erase something and add something to it as well. I can also add extra numbers if there's other things I can think of for him to do. But yeah, I thought it was a fun little cleaning activity, and definitely go check out Libby's video down in the description. I thought it was a really great idea. And thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Take care, and bye for now.